Streamlining your existing systems shall be your main focus in the year 2022. So in the past few years probably you might be experiencing some lacking in your existing business, in your main line of work, in your core business, and you that made you probably look out for some other alternative options, whether it was regarding your business or career or partner or whatever, your relationships or whatever. But now this is the time, year 2022, you will come back to your main business, your core, your focus. You'll focus on your core line of working, your core business, your expertise, whatever you have been doing from the very beginning of your career, or traditionally as due to your lineage. So you will come back to your that core business, your core working, your core strengths, and you'll start playing on that. You'll try hard to improve that. You will try to improve your systems, your procedures, streamline all those things to attract better and faster growth and success in your life. So month of February is likely to bring in good news for you people, wherein you will experience some wish fulfillment. That could be related to um, uh, your business. You might attract some big client, or you might attract some desired business account, or you might be attracting, you might be getting some big order, or you might be getting to marry with your loved one, the one you wanted to marry with. And you might also be landing in the desired job profile you wanted, or you might be getting receiving some promotion in your job. So whatever be the case, this the happiness in this wish fulfillment is likely to be short lived, because very soon you will be experiencing pressure of increased responsibilities that might be coming to you as a result of your marriage, or as a result of that big order. So but the fact is, you just need to hang on, you just need to fulfill, you keep fulfilling, doing your duties, keep fulfilling your responsibilities, because very soon you will realize, for example, if you got some big order. So just like we are into business of Nimro Vastu, we do design new factories and houses. So suppose we got we get to design a new factory, and within a limited time frame, say for example in 7 days. Now it is a big challenge for us to design a factory in 7 days, but if somehow we are able to do that through the improved system, we just improved our systems, and if we are able to do that, so soon we'll get to realize that that challenge, that pressure was actually a blessing in disguise for us. So after being able to fulfill that responsibility, we are blessed with more clientele. We are blessed with probably repeat order, a good client, a more business goodwill. So that will be a blessing in disguise. Same for anything, like your job also. So you might be doing your responsibilities and standing firm in your challenges. You are able to fulfill your role well, and then you are able to attract a higher level of promotion. So that is a blessing in disguise. Yes, in the month of May, you might experience some challenges related to your health, or related to liquidity crunch. So you might experience that, but nothing to worry, because that will be short lived. You need not worry for that. To counter those effects and those situations, Nimro Vastu recommends you that you should not plant a giloy bale in your premises, in your house, or in your workplace. Or in fact, any kind of climbers or creepers you should not plant, preferably a medicinal one. So giloy is one that is commonly planted, that is people normally plant that in their houses. So you should not plant that in this year 2022. Apart from that, you should also ensure that the walls in your house and in your workplace, those are in good condition. There are no rifts in the walls, and that is an important parameter, because that will again create new challenges for you, especially in your business or in your life in general. So there is one success mantra also for you people to excel well in the year 2022, and that is, you should try to get up early in the morning, and while facing east, pray to sun god just with your folded hands. You just need to do namaskar to Surya Dev, to sun god, and that is it. And other thing is, you should face west. Wherever you are, in your house or in your workplace, you just face west, and then you should do namaskar to your ancestors, your forefathers. So these two small tasks, those two small activities you need to do daily throughout the year, and these will really help you a lot through the challenges, and even though those are minor ones, but still, and those will definitely help you attract bigger, higher, and faster success in the year 2022. With that, I wish you all the very best. I trust these suggestions will help you a lot. These will help you attract lots of money, success, growth, happiness, and above all, peace of mind in the year 2022. wish you a very happy new year.